Assalamu alaikum, farmers of Naltar Valley. Do your vegetables spoil too quickly?
Don't worry. Today, we'll show you how to make a charcoal cooler, an energy-free way to keep your produce fresh for weeks.
A charcoal cooler is a simple cooling chamber that uses charcoal's natural ability to absorb water and keep the temperature low.
Since charcoal is a bad conductor of heat, it keeps the inside cool while blocking external warmth. Perfect for storing tomatoes, carrots, and leafy greens.
To build one at home, you'll need bricks or clay to form the structure, charcoal pieces to fill the walls, a wire mesh to hold the charcoal in place, a water container to keep the charcoal moist, a shaded spot to set it up.
Once you have these, let's build it. Step 1. Build a box-like structure using bricks or clay, leaving space for charcoal filling. Step 2. Fill the walls with charcoal pieces and secure them with wire mesh. Step 3. Place a shallow water tray on top, so water trickles down and keeps the charcoal damp. Step 4. Place your vegetables inside on wooden shelves and keep the door closed.
As water evaporates from the charcoal, it absorbs heat, keeping the inside cool.
This can extend the shelf life of tomatoes from just 4 days to over 30 days.
Now you can reduce waste and keep your produce fresh longer, without electricity.
Try making your own charcoal cooler and let us know how it works for you.